Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. I miss you guys so much. Today I am back with a flip over method quick weave using Curlsqueen's hair. I didn't want to bore you with the leave out section, so I just left this part right here, and that's going to be the leave out. I'm going in with this protective shield and this little brush that I got from Sally's just to pop this around the perimeter where I'm not going to have any leave out, and this is going to hold my wig cap in place. This is going to provide that security that I like. And here is the bundles from Curlsqueen. Shout out to Curlsqueen with these yaki, silky bundles, okay? They provided 2 in my box, and I was so in love with the quality, and I love the fact that the bundles didn't have any frayed pieces or anything like that. So I'm going in with my Pro Salon bonding glue. You guys know this is the only bonding glue that I use, so I will link it in the description box below because I don't want you to mix it up with any other one. So I'm going to be measuring this around my perimeter, and I'm pretty much going to go ear to ear, but a little bit past the ear. So almost like temple to temple, but not all the way up. And I'm starting with longer pieces. I didn't want to go in with anything super short because I wanted to make sure I had that security around the bottom half of the wig cap immediately as soon as I started placing the tracks on the wig cap. Now, I know a lot of people use the protective shield all around the hair just so you can protect your hair, but I seem to find that that product breaks my hair off so bad. And when I removed this quick weave, I didn't have any like shedding or anything like that. So I just have been staying away from putting that shield all over my head. But let me know if you guys like it, if y'all see the same problem that I see, or you're going to definitely keep that step in your quick weaves because I don't really care for it that much. So I'm just going to be measuring as I go, and I'm going to let y'all know when I get to the last bundle, well, when I finish with this bundle, because this is a thick bundle. It was a really nice density, and I felt like that's all I needed. I didn't want this to be too bulky or too crazy, and this was a super natural length, and I think this is perfect for summertime if you are trying to go for a quick weave method but don't want to do too much of that. Don't want to give too much of a leave out situation. I think this will be perfect. So I'm just brushing the tracks because I'm about to move on to the second bundle, and that is basically how full it looks. And look at how close I am to the top of my hair, and look at how long this weft is, you guys. Like, so here for the quality. They definitely come through with quality. I have tried so many different textures from this company, as well as styles, from eye tips to bundles to tape-ins. You guys, they have everything you need, and like I said, they always provide really, really nice quality. So I'm going to start working on the top half of my hair, and I'm basically just going to close this up, but I'm going to shorten the tracks right here, like towards the crown of my head, so I can have some type of curve going on, so it can like basically close this area up. And you want to make sure these pieces are pretty close together because you don't want any gapping in case like the wind blows, or you just want it to look super realistic towards the top. So try to save a lot of your hair for the top part of your hair, just in case you run out of hair. But like I said, I was able to get a full flip over method look with the bundles that they provided, and I had 0 gapping, and everything looked really realistic towards the end. And I'm going to end up styling it and putting some layers in the hair. But overall, I really did love this install, and I could do so many styles with this type of quick weave because it's a flip over, so you can put it up in a ponytail, you can do a little side part, you can do a little short middle part, nothing too crazy, but it still can give you so many different looks in this specific quick weave.
never had nobody do me like you. I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me, and the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby. What the things that you done show me, and the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' I ain't never had nobody show me all the.
So now that we made it to the top, I'm going to brush everything down and kind of give you guys a feel of how full the hair is and how the quality is. And they also provide this brush in your bag, and I just look at that. It's giving, very much so giving. So I'm just going to remove the extra wig cap, and I'm going to start working on taking out my leave out, and I'm going to press that out, straighten it a little bit, throw some layers in it, and then I'm going to curl it with my T3 curling iron. But I will link all of Curlsqueen's information in the description box below, you guys, and a few of my other videos that I do have with this company's hair, because I just want you guys to see how really nice the quality is. If you're not a yaki texture kind of girl, they do have really nice balm silk, like Brazilian, Indian type hair quality. So you can find pretty much anything that you're looking for on Curlsqueen website. So like I said, all of their information will be linked in the description box below. So get into it, you guys. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this install, because I had so much fun doing it. It is the easiest install, fastest install that I've ever did. It's maybe took me 15 minutes just to do the actual quick weave, but of course with styling and shaping, it took me about, I want to say, another 10 minutes. So in total, like a 25-minute install. Can't beat that, okay? And you can't beat that time. So when I say quick weave, it's definitely giving quick weave. And let me know what your favorite quick weave is. Do you like a middle? Let me know what your favorite quick weave is. Is it a bust down middle part, a side part? Have you tried a flip over before? Let me know. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me, and the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby. That's what you call me.